We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up LLY stock. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right hand side is a bullish green candle. Look like it's in the midpoint of an area. We do have price action overall, lower lows. Price action overall, higher highs. Midpoint. Also adding second level highs. So current price is sitting at 310.87. So you can see market drop down from an area. So if this market does work its way up further, go back up again, we'll see the market head up to, let's get that midpoint between price action overall high and current price. Price will head up to 317.86 before making it up to the overall structure of 328.44. And if price work its way down from that area, headed back down to the previous numbers of 301.46. And if it breaks down further, it's head up to that midpoint lines between the overall structure, the highest high, second level highs of 279.36. So if this market does work its way up further, it's coming from a pattern at that low, so it will be identified as that first, second, third, fourth. So we have a double bottom. Market can come back to retest up to this midpoint area of that overall structure of price is sitting at 279.36. If it breaks that lower level of that area price, it can head back down to the previous numbers of 244.18. So anything above 279.36, it can create some structure. It's trying to create structure at that high support area, resistance area. So it could be identified as first, second, third, fourth. Price action broke, retesting that area of the high, and if it's respected, market's going to break out that area, and then we look for the retest for the price over the overhead structure of the overall higher highs for market to push up again. Now, if that market does fall down from this area and it stops at that midpoint, market will be drawing out a pattern, may identify as a first leg, second leg. Price action will be the third leg, and if we receive a bearish red candle to engulf the price action, markets creating that decline double top and working its way down to that midpoint of that area. Or we can receive that consolidation. Walking down to the weekly time frame, price action on the weekly time frame is identifying a bullish green candle with a long wick down to that bottom. So let's talk about what's happening. So we do know we are in the area of consolidation. So we said market's consolidating sideways, but it's patterns inside patterns. So we'll break it down separately. So for price to come up in this area here with price action candle, it actually came from this previous area. So that market is identifying for that overall first leg, second leg, third leg. Market did push up for that fourth leg, created that W formation, couldn't break. Came back to retest, not once, but twice. It's trying to create a double bottom again to be respected from the opposite side. So we'll be looking at it as a overall first, second, third, fourth overall retest. And market's trying to push out off that overall retest, which is trying to form that pattern of the double bottom. So price action, as I said before, is a bullish green candle with the wick down to the bottom. So if it's respected, we'll see that market pushes up. If price pushes up with this momentum, it still have momentum in that candle to push up to price of 317.86. And then we'll see what happens after that area. Now, if that market does decline, we have to see a bearish red candle engulf the price second, some of the third to last candle to push that market down for that first, second, third, and we'll see that fourth leg drop down. If it breaks the price of 301.46, we look for that retest for market to drop down further. Or that market can consolidate as they're doing now within price second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, the last candle, the main dominant candle that is inside that consolidation is the eighth, the last candle of the market, which is that bearish candle. Walking down to the daily time frame, price action of the daily time frame is identifying as a bullish green candle coming from an area of support, so we can see that structure of that overall first leg, second leg, third leg market was respected and is pushing up to that previous area. Price action is engulfing the second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth, the last candle, seventh, eighth, the last candle in the market, closing out against all those bodies. We want to see if they're going to clear those wicks to push up further, but it still has enough momentum for it to push up to that price of 317.86, and then we want to see price break above that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th candle in the market, 10th and 11th candle in the market in this area to close out, and it'll be on that SR line of price of 317.86 to show a pattern of a retest or a break-in retest for that market to break up further to the next SR line. Now, if the market does turn around this area, we'll just identify that first, second, third, and it can stop here because it'll be a midpoint of that area, and market is identifying as a double top if we see that pattern form. But so far, market look like it's very bullish and can be able to work its way up. Walking down to the 4-hour time frame, price action, bullish green candle, wick up to the top, so it's showing that it did tag that area of resistance. It's in that midpoint of that previous side, so we're going to see if that market can still create enough momentum for that market to push up. If not, it can come back for a retest at least at midpoint before it works its way up further. But if we do see that market is going to decline, price action candle has to decline the current price and second and last candle close out. That means it'll be headed back to that down to SR line. Then we'll be seeing that structure for that first leg, second leg, third leg, and market comes down for that double top. Walking way down to the 3-hour time frame, side by side is a consolidation happening in that area. Walking down to the 2-hour time frame, same as well. Bit of a push. Third to last candle is a retest. Fourth to last candle, price pushed up. Third to last candle, retest. Second last candle pushed up, and then price action work its way sideways. So if the market engulfs with the price action bearish red candle to the second last candle, market will be identifying as a double top in that area. But you got to remember, it's at that midpoint area, so it could be just identifying a break, a retest of that midpoint for that market to push up further. But if we see price engulf that second or maybe third to last candle body, a price of 308.37, it can work its way down further. Walking down to the 1-hour time frame, price action side by side with the second to last candle, so it's consolidating, and also price action could be a retest. So we're going to see what's going to form after that. See if that market is going to push and retest and break out. Same as well in the 45 minutes, so we can see that market's coming from that overall pattern, that first, second, third, fourth, retest 1, retest 2, quadruple bottom, and then market breaking out to that area. Walking down to a 30-minute time frame, same as well, side by side, still got that market working its way up. 15 minutes showing a bearish red candle, so it's trying to come back and retest. It can come back to retest at least this bearish red doji and still create that momentum to still push up further. Walking down to the 5-minute time frame, same as well. We can see that market is in that consolidation with the last few candles in the market. We'll put down the zone to see what it looks like, grabbing that area of that high. We're looking for price to break that area. So if price is respected with the price action of this doji, we'll see that market respects and push up further. That means we're looking for the breakout around 312.08. Walking down to a 3-minute time frame, same as well. We can see that market is hanging out at that bottom of that support. So we'll see if it's going to engulf. If it happens to engulf on the 3-minute time frame, it has to close out against the third to last candle of the market to push up. And on the 1-minute time frame, same as well, just seeing that tight area consolidation. See if a pattern is going to form for that first, second, third, fourth retest. The market is going to push up from a double bottom and retest. If not, price actually start breaking that zone and work its way down further. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. LLY, Star.